Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. It's Black Friday and we've got deals for you. We have marked down lots and lots and lots of kits, and they're all under one tab called Black Friday, and you will get one free pattern with every quilt kit that you purchase, or you can buy 3 kits, skip the little pattern, and then we will give you a free book instead. You get to choose which book you want. We do have 7 different books in print and 2 that are download. So it's a great time to stock up for Christmas gifts, for charity quilts, or just because you see a quilt you absolutely love. So with no further ado, let's get started with the kids' quilts. Today, we're going to show you a quilt. Then we're going to show you several fabrics that will go with this particular pattern so that you can get an idea of what it's going to look like when you get it made up. Most of the quilts are about 45 by 60. I believe this one is 45 by 57. So let's put that one up here. And the first kit that we're going to show you, we're going to go through these quickly. I think we have something like on this one segment. So this one is called Dots and Daisies. It's a great little daisy on a blue background and a little pink dot. We've decided to put a yellow polka dot with it and a pink polka dot with it. So you've got your focus fabric. It'll go in the larger block, and then you'll make your 9 patch with these 2. This one is called Dots and Daisies. It's 8020710. It's 9+1 is the pattern that we recommend, and that's also available in the children's book called Quilts for Kids. Now, staying with the 9+1 pattern, we have another one that's really cute. Now, there's only one of these left, but it's adorable. This will be your focus fabric going in the largest block, and then you have 2 fabrics that are going to be used for your 9 patch. And this one is 8020711 Baby Safari. It's the 9+1 pattern, and it is in the Quilts for Kids book, but there's only one left of this adorable fabric, so be sure to skip on over there and check that out. Now, the next quilt that we're going to show you is called Sweet Times. Sweet Times is one of our most popular patterns. When you need a quilt in a hurry, this is the one you'll turn to. And even though we only have about a month until Christmas, you can get this one done in a day. It would really go quickly. So let's put that one up here. This one is a great Disney print. So if you've got a little one that likes those Disney princesses, then this is the one for you. This is called Ready to Rule. And
this is Elena.
Elena. I always have to refer to someone much younger than me to know what the name of some of these are. But I do have a new grandbaby, so therefore I'm going to be able to keep up with the princesses. This is your focus fabric, and Elena will be in the large block. And then you've got 2 others that will coordinate with this. And isn't that just great? It really does pick up that teal and the yellowy green colors. This will be a great kit. And it is 8020142, Ready to Rule, and it's Sweet Times is the pattern, and Easy Peasy is your pattern. That pattern is available in Easy Peasy book. Okay, the next one, we're also recommending that you use the same pattern, Sweet Times. Sweet Times is, like I said, great for showing off large prints. Is that one fun? I love those little happy daisies. With the number 2 fabric is the yellow, and the number 3 is the fun pink. So this one is called Sunny Days, 8020716. Sweet Times is your pattern, or if you want to get the book free when you buy 3 kits, then you might want to pick the Easy Peasy book. There's only one left of this one as well, but it's a great price, so you better skip over there and check it out. One more that we have for Sweet Times is the Grumpy Cats. Now, there's only 3 of these remaining as well. Does anybody have a grumpy cat? Mine are all pretty happy, friendly, but I love this. It has the the pinks and the browns. So makes me think of strawberries and chocolate when I see pink and brown together. This one would be an adorable kit for you. There's only 3 left, but the number is 8020717. Grumpy Cat would also look great in that Sweet Times pattern. The next one that we have is going to be the quilt called Pretty Please. This one is very much fun. It's got a square and a square, and then a big enough block to show off your cute little prints. So let's put that one up here. And if you've got a little one that is all excited about trains, this is the one. So fun. On my Facebook page the other day, it popped up. We went and did train chasing a year ago, and it popped up as one of my memories. So it was fun. We got up early and went and waited for the train to come. It was a rebuilt 1800 steam locomotive. So this is your focus fabric. Here's your number 2 fabric and the number 3 fabric. It kind of looks like train tracks, doesn't it? This one, 8020466. Pretty Please is your pattern, and the name of the kit is Ride the Rails. Pretty Please is only available as an individual pattern, but remember, even though this pattern is not in a book, any one of my 3-yard quilt patterns will work with any one of my kits. Okay, this one is pretty. This is a fabric that was very, very popular, and as luck would have it, we found 2 of them in our storeroom. So you want to take advantage of this. It's gorgeous. Focus fabric, number 2 and number 3. So this one is very pretty, and it's 8020714. Dragonfly Dance. Pretty Please is the pattern recommendation, or if you want to get a book, any one of our patterns will work with 3 yards of fabric. There's only 2 of these left, so check it out. Now, any of you have a little one that's crazy about cars? I think these are cute. And was it Tomator or something? That one's cute. Okay, so here's your focus fabric, your number 2 and your number 3. And this one is 8020715, Car Friends 2. So we had a Car Friends earlier, but we've changed one of the fabrics. It is Pretty Please pattern that we recommend. It is a last chance, and there's only 1 left. But we want you to take advantage of these because we've really lowered the prices considerably, so they'll be great prices for you. This one is called Town Square. Town Square is a great one to show off novelty prints, which a lot of times we like to do for those kiddos. And then it's bordered by corner blocks that you create. Goes together super fast. Town Square. These are the fabrics for the first one. This is cute. Peace, Love, and Tractors. Super cute. So you got a little farmer girl. I guess I would be that little farmer girl. I do like to play in the dirt and grow maters. This is my focus fabric for number 1. Our number 2 fabric is the Sunshine Yellow, and the blue for the blue sky. Get all that fresh air you can get with Peace, Love, and Tractors. 8020713, Town Square. It's from the book Easy Peasy, or it's also available as an individual pattern. Okay, using the same pattern, we're recommending the Parisian Chat. Now, I'm not much on that speaking the French, but anyway, Parisian Cat. So you've got these cute little kitties, and then the companion fabric, we pick up the blue in his little bow tie. And then there's also some pinky reds. We have a polka dot here. So we have 802082 Parisian Chats, and it's the Town Square pattern, and we're recommending that pattern from the Easy Peasy book. Okay, the next one, still going with the town square. This one's pretty, really sweet. So this one is called Frolicking Daisies, and the secondary fabric is your blue aqua colors that we're picking up from here, and then the purple, which again we're picking up the center of the daisies with this one. Your number is 8020712, Frolicking Daisies. We're recommending the Town Square pattern, and again, that is from the Easy Peasy book. Now, if you've never made a 3-yard quilt, you'll find how quick they do go together. So if you're looking to get some more gifts made before Christmas time, it's time to do that. This one is Fun Times is the name of this particular pattern. We have added the chenille by the inch. We do have some chenille by the inch demos, videos on our website. Just click on the chenille by the inch button if you've never seen that done. It is an optional product. It does not come with this particular kit, but it's a lot of fun to embellish children's quilts with that. So let's look at this one. Super easy, and it is strip pieced. We do a lot of strip piecing in the pattern, so it makes it easier for you to put them together quickly. Your focus fabric is the little flower, and that'll go in the number 1 spot. Number 2 is the little polka dot, and number 3 is the pink. And this one is 8020393, Pretty Pastels. The pattern that we recommend is Fun Times. That one is from the book Easy Peasy. I've showed you several from Easy Peasy. That's because it's one of my favorite books, I think. Things go together in a hurry. All right. Here's another one that we're recommending for Fun Times. It's another small flower. A quilt like this is great for these real small prints. And so they'd make really cute little prints for your children. And then here's your number 2 fabric and your number 3 fabric. And this one is 8020718, Roses and Bows. Fun Times, again, is the pattern from the Easy Peasy book. Now, there are only 3 of these remaining. So if that one's speaking to you, you might want to check it out. Now, those are some of the quilts with the kits that we're recommending, but we have some what we call last chance. There are very few of these left. We will make a recommendation for your pattern, but these are just fun geometric stripes with the yellow and the black. So this one is a fun one to make without having a specific novelty print. These are always real popular for us. And there's only one left. As you can see, this was a popular kit. It is a last chance. We recommend Perfect Pets. And if you can focus on this, John, do you get it? Can you see that? The kitty cat is actually the stripe. And that would sit on top of the yellow, and then your alternate block would be the black. It's cute. Cute, cute, cute. I'm sorry, your sashing would be the black.
And it has both the dog and the cat in it.
Oh, yes. Did you catch that?
Yeah.
All right. We only have one left of that one. Okay, this one is... Okay, tell me about this one, Hannah. TSUM Tunes.
Zoom tunes.
Zoom Tunes, okay. I recognize them, but I didn't know exactly who they were. So, okay, so this is your focus fabric. And we'll move that over a little bit. And we've got a yellow and a pink. This is cute. Cute, cute. Nice little Disney print. There's only one left. It is on sale, so check it out. We're using the So Quick from the Quilt's Favorite book. Now, that is a book that's only available as a download. And there's only one of these kits remaining. We do have a lot of these just ones left, but we wanted to give you the opportunity to pick them up at a great price. This one is a cute little butterfly. Boy, we sold the daylights out of this one. It was a very popular one with the little butterfly and as your focus, and then that wonderful blue aqua blue with a black and white polka dot. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, now this one is 8020721 Butterfly Dreams. We're recommending the Dominique pattern, and the really cool thing about this is putting that black and white polka dot in that flower. It's really cute. We only have one of these remaining. Now remember, you can go to my website, fabriccafe.com, and just click on the Black Friday button, and all of these will come up. Okay, this one is Caterpillar Dance. Whenever my kids were little, I never knew when I was going to find a caterpillar or a frog in the house, and now they're grown up and my cats bring me frogs. But this is a cute, cute fabric here. Focus fabric, number 2 and number 3, the little polka dots. This is super cute. Only one left, and we are recommending the windmill pattern. So this one is 8020721 Caterpillar Dance. And then last but not least, there's only one of these remaining as well. And this one is so sweet. It's called Sweet Pea. And that's your focus fabric. Your number 2 fabric is your light. And your number 3 fabric is your dark. And this one is precious. There's only one left. Great price, so be sure to check that out. It's 8020722 Sweet Pea. It's a last chance. There's only one left. We're recommending the Topsy-Turvy pattern, and that is available in the Quilts for Kids book. Now that's what we have for you in the children's section of this video, but I want to tell you we have many, many more quilt kits on our website. So check it out under the Black Friday button. We're also going to have something that we're calling Pleasant Surprises, and they're going to be stash builders. This is an example. They're going to be by color grouping, so you can go and check that out, and they're going to be at the great price of 5 yards for just $24.99, so be sure to check that out. You won't be able to select them, but if you want some blues or you want some greens or something like that, then you can look for these stash builders. It's a great way to get 1 yard pieces, and you'll probably be able to make some 3 yard quilts out of those 1 yard pieces. So we're so glad you joined us for the kids segment. Be sure to check out the other segments of this particular video series for Black Friday. Have a great day. Donna Robertson, Fabric Cafe.